Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to SSC CHSL examination. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll be focusing on the GI or the general intelligence section of the paper, and in particular we'll be focusing on question number 29 to 31. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and analyze the kind of questions that have been asked, and subsequently we'll take a look at the approach of the same, so that whenever we come across this kind of question in the future we are easily able to solve the same. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the questions in front of us. Let's start off with 29. So 29, basically we need to, which of the following letters will sequentially be placed at the gaps in the given letter series shall complete it. Okay, so we need to actually find. So let's start off with 29. We have A, we have B, A dash B, A dash B, A. Okay, so now we need to actually form a sequential pattern. So let's start off by option A, BBA. So I'm placing B here, B here, and A here. So ABB, AAB, BAAA. No, there is no pattern whatsoever. So if you place this, so we cannot actually place option A. So this is a wrong answer. Let me get rid of that. So option A is wrong. Now let's put option 2, BBB. So I put B, B and B. Okay, so we have A, BB, AA, BB, AA, BB and A subsequently. So yes, it forms a pattern, basically double A, double B, double A, double B, double A, double B, and subsequently goes on and on. So yes, B could be our probable answer, but then again let's check other options as well. Okay, let's go with number C. Okay, so we have A and B. So AAB, 2A, triple A B, again double A B, again double B A. No, it does not make any sense. No pattern whatsoever. So this one's also get cancelled out. And finally, if you put B A B, then A B, A double B, triple A B, double B. So again, no pattern whatsoever. So only option, one particular option, that is option B, makes sense here, since this form a pattern. So this is our answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So with that said, let's move on to next one. So dash B, A B B B, A dash A dash. Okay, so let's start off with point number 30. Let's start off with A. Okay, we have B, A, B, B, B. So what we have, B, A, B, A, 3B, 3B, again A, B, A, B, B. So look here one thing, B, A, B, 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 A. So B, A, B, 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 A, it continues again, it forms some sort of pattern. C, BA, BBBA. So this BA will be the last part of the previous series, BA, BBA, and this particular part BA, BBB. So it will continue here on. So yes, it forms a pattern. It forms a certain kind of pattern. So having said that, so this can be a probable answer. So, but we'll not confine ourselves to just this, to be sure. Okay, so next one we have A, B, A, B, B. Okay, A, B, A, B, B. So A, B, B, A, triple B, A again, and triple A, double B. No, it does not make sense. No pattern whatsoever. So we can't follow a sequence. So this is wrong. Let's move to the next option. Option C, we have B, B, A, B, A. triple BA, triple BA, okay, some sort of pattern has been seen, triple BA, triple BA, but again double A BA, okay, so here the pattern actually fails. So from here triple BA continues, but again double A BA, so that is not a part of the pattern, so this one again fails. Okay, so this options also get cancelled, option C. And now lastly BA A BA, triple BA, no pattern whatsoever. It gets pretty evident from here only. So this also gets cancelled out. So then, having discussed everything, option A is our answer. Okay. Now let's discuss the last one. Last one being O O P Q O P dash Q O O dash Q O O Q O dash P Q. Okay. So 31. So let's check here. Let's start off with number A first. O P P O. Okay. Double O P Q O P O Q. Again double O P Q O P O Q. Double O P Q. Yes, see, double O O P O Q. Again double O O P. Oh no, double O P Q O P O Q. Again double O P Q, and the trend continues. So yes, this forms a pattern. So this can be our probable answer, but we'll all again check all the options just to be sure. Yeah, let's look at option 2. So it is P O P O. So double O P Q O P P. Okay, again Q double O O Q. No pattern whatsoever, because the initial pattern is not maintained. So option 2 is our wrong answer. So let's move on to option C. P O O P P O O P. Double O P Q O P P Q double O O Q. Okay, it should be P Q, but it's O Q. Again, it fails to form any kind of sequence. So it again, option 3 also, or option C also is the wrong one. So again wrong. And last, O P O O P. Okay, double O P Q O P O Q double O P Q O O. Okay, had this been P, we could have gotten something, but this again fails to form any kind of sequence. So that being said, this particular thing is also wrong. So our answer would be this one, option A. So I hope this is clear. How we came about. All we had to do was simply put in the options and just to observe whether any of the given options would make any meaningful or a coherent sequence as far as the given alphabets are mentioned in the question. Okay. So in case you're having any doubt, I suggest you go through the video multiple times and go through the explanation I have given towards the options and the way I solved. So that would in turn basically clear your concepts and ideology behind the same as well, and try to solve this question on your own with the video as a reference. So having said that, in case you're looking to get yourself a fully solved detailed solution of the paper itself, feel free to connect with us. So for that, what you can do is you can go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find all our contact information, be it our our email IDs, our website links, our numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us as well. Feel free to connect with us with any of those medium. So if you have any kind of doubt with respect to your exam preparation, be it your doubt with respect to subjects, we'll be more than happy to help you out, and if you need any guidance, we'll be there for you as well. So I hope things are clear. So with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And having said all of that, I'd like to wind up this video. Thank you so much.